Hi, my name is Krista Montoya, and I'm going to be going over a lesson plan that I created. This is a Kinder ELA lesson on the story The Three Little Pigs. All of the content for this lesson is linked under the lesson plan tab in my website. So I'll be going over that lesson right now. The content standard is students with prompting and support will retell familiar stories, including key details. So basically, to meet the standard, we're going to read the story, The Three Little Pigs, and talk about the details of the story. To open the lesson, I'm going to introduce the characters, so the three pigs and the wolf, and I'm going to be talking about the materials that they use to build their houses. And actually bring in the materials, bring in some straw and sticks and brick, so that the students can actually see and feel the materials and imagine what a house would be like if it was built from those materials. After I introduce the characters and the materials, I'm going to actually read the story, The Three Little Pigs, to them. I have linked in my lesson plan a link to the book if you want to purchase the book and read it to your student. Or I also linked a YouTube video so that you could play a YouTube video of a read aloud of the story in case you can't get a hold of the book. After students hear the story, I'm going to put this worksheet up on the DocCam. I'm going to cut the images out, and as a class, we're going to put them in order of what happened in the story: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So what was the first thing that happened in the story? The three little pigs said bye to their mom. And so we'll put each of the images in order with the help of the whole class. Once we do that, students are going to have independent practice and do it on their own. So I'll be passing them out the same worksheet that we did on the DocCam. They're going to color the images and cut them out, so they'll also get some practice with some coloring and cutting, which are some good skills for kindergartners. And then with their table partner, they will put their images in order like we did on the DocCam. To check for understanding, we're going to come back together as a class, and on the DocCam, the students are going to help me put the images in order one last time. And after we have them in order on the DocCam, they can look at theirs and make sure that theirs is in the right order. And we'll also have the anchor charts up as a reference as well. To end the lesson, I'm going to show them just a fun song about the three little pigs, just to get them excited, and just a fun way to end the lesson. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.